How to fix messages not sending on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you're trying to DM someone or someone is trying to DM you and the message is not going back or forth, what you can do is first launch the TikTok application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile's icon. Tap on it, then it will take you to your profile's page. From here, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option. Tap on it and go to settings and privacy. After you do that, scroll a bit down and over here you can see direct messages. Tap on it, then on the top you can see permission settings. Click there and over here you can see potential connections and others on TikTok. Tap on them and as you can see over here, the don't receive option has been toggled on. Simply tap on requests, then do the same thing for the another one. After you do that, you can receive messages. So this is how you can fix message not sending problem on TikTok. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.